Hey everyone, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take you on a tour of one of our 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500s. This one is the LTZ trim level. It also is equipped with the Rocky Ridge Mad Rock package. You're going to notice the first thing on this package is the front grille here. It's integrated along with the bumper. We have Mad Rock up top along with a forward-facing camera and a 10,000-pound winch on the bottom. You'll also see the rigid fog lights on both sides. It just gives this truck a very aggressive appearance, and you'll also notice this truck is finished off in a beautiful satin finish. You can see it's a little bit lighter on the hood, and then we have a really nice color running down the side of the truck. Just gives it a unique design. This truck also has a 6-inch Rocky Ridge lift kit. You'll notice we have 22-inch wheels finished off in black, wrapped in a 35-inch mud terrain tire. So you definitely have plenty of clearance for these larger tires. And then making our way behind that, we have our side mirrors along with a camera just to give you a little bit better visibility. And of course, with a lift kit, we need an easy way to get in and out of the vehicle. So we have the power retracting running boards, and you'll see they automatically close, of course, when you shut the door. We have the same wheel and tire setup in the rear, along with really nice fender flares. You can see them in the front and the rear just to add to that aggressive look. As we make our way to the back end, we have a custom exhaust exiting the side. And then we have more of that satin finish on the rear bumper, along with integrated parking sensors. And then one of my favorite features with this truck is the soft opening and closing tailgate. So with a push of a button, you can easily open it, and then pushing on it again, it will automatically close. Once inside our 1500 with the LTZ package, you'll see that we have leather seats. They are heated and ventilated. You also get the larger screen with navigation and really nice trim pieces running throughout this vehicle. You'll also notice we have the switch for the fog lights to the left of the steering wheel. And then being the crew cab, you'll see this has full 4 doors, so we have plenty of space for rear seat passengers. You'll also notice that there's a cubby spot in the backrest there, and then you can fold the bottom up to give you a lot more space. These seats are heated as well, finished off in leather. Getting our Silverado 1500 out on the road now. With the Rocky Ridge kit, this comes with the speedometer recalibration. So with the oversized tires, you don't have to worry about your miles per hour. This kit is ready to go. With the 6-inch lift kit, it also rides and drives just like a stock Silverado, which is really nice to see. And then of course we do have the aftermarket exhaust. So if we give it just a little bit of gas here, it has a really beefy sound to it. Goes well with how aggressive this truck is. So it looks good, it sounds good. It has a very nice interior with the LTZ. You have heated and ventilated leather seats, really nice trim accents that run throughout, and a ton of storage space. This truck also comes with a 3-year warranty, so it's backed by Rocky Ridge and by Chevrolet. You're definitely going to have a lot of fun daily driving this 1500. One feature that I also love about this truck too is the fact that the rear view mirror has the rear view camera built into it. So you can either look out of it in the standard view or flip it up and have a crystal clear HD image of what's behind you. So there's a look at one of our Chevrolet Silverado 1500s equipped with the Rocky Ridge Mad Rock package. Definitely an aggressive truck. It has a lot of awesome features. If you want to come check this truck out for yourself and take it on a test drive, you can contact us with all of our information down in the description.